You watching, baby? Are you watching, baby? Huh? All right, stay there. Stay here where I can see you, okay? All right. Ooh. What hurts? All right, stay there. Don't go in the kitchen, okay? You hear me? Do not go in the kitchen. Stay out of the kitchen. Stay right here where I can see you. Eli. Eli. Darn it. Frank.
Hi, bud. Is there any way you can come over to the front door, you think?
No, because the bottom lock, he never unlocked it. It's hard. You have to really push in and unlock. And I'm letting the dog out to use the bathroom, going inside, and he came inside before me and hurried up and shut the door.
All right, keep him occupied. You have the perfect idea.
Thank you. Stay there, baby.
Okay.
It's locked from inside. And we went to the back door.
Okay,
3.
so he's not in danger.
No, it's a hot pot of water on the stove, burning.
Okay. What we can do is work on your window and try to preserve it as best we can, or we can force this door, but it's going to break your jamb. You're going to have to replace it.
Okay.
What's the back look like? Have you guys been back there? I don't know. You don't have a key?
Well, I am finally in the house. Thank God. Now I know to remember to take the chain off and make sure the bottom lock is not locked. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
It's sweet.
A big truck.
Big truck, yes.
Yeah, but
It was trying to make that turn. Sunglasses. Need some sunglasses. We're doing our daily walk today. It is in the morning time, starting to heat up out here. Wait a minute. Look both ways. Look that way, and then look this way. Make sure there's no traffic coming. And if it's clear, look again and you cross. Come on. Mm-hmm. It's going down the street. Mm-hmm. Come on. Come on.
I can't take them inside.
Oh, that's a good idea.
I'm going to take one home, I say.
You gonna take it home?
This is my cat. I'm thinking about taking this home.
Oh, yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yes. That's a good idea. We are at the community center, and they got a little bit of freebies going on. They got this for toddlers, and my son, when he don't like to eat, when be picky eaters, he can have one of these. Still eat his meals, but have this now for a replacement or a snack. or something. And he also has sandwiches down here. Boxes of sandwiches. Oh. What is this? Eli, get over here. Fully breathable stretch brief. Oh, these are some briefs. What are these? Oh, these are masks. Uh-oh. Now, you guys, don't sleep on these places. They be trying to help out the community. Don't you sleep on them. Now we are continuing our little walk for the day. And my son and myself love walking, especially when it's nice outside and the sun is shining. No raining, no snow, no sleet. You know, we got to get out here and get some of these vitamin D. So that's what we doing. Comment down below, you guys, if you are like us. When it's nice outside, you like to take your toddler outside for a little walk to enjoy the fresh air and to soak up that vitamin D. Now, I love to soak up vitamin D. You know why? 'Cause it's free. I would like to take this opportunity out to tell everybody that's watching this video that you can do anything through Jesus Christ. Okay? And just stay motivated. Stay on the right track. Hang around people that's going to compliment you. Look both ways. Go to the corner of the street, the sidewalk, and look both ways.
Yeah.
Look that way. Is there any cars coming?
Yeah.
No, you don't see no cars. Look that way. Is there any cars coming? No. So come on, let's cross.
Alright.
Come on, you gotta walk fast.
Well, that.
Come on. Walk.
Drive to the beach. The sun was setting, it was just you and me. Wind in my hair and the sand in my shoes. Could've chosen anyone, but I choose you. Hop back in your car, top down. There's no stopping us, 'cause we own this town. Never knew I could have such fun. Never thinking you would be my number one. On my tongue, never thinking you would be my number one. Jump in your car and we drive to the beach. The sun was setting, it was just you and me. Wind in my hair and the sand in my shoes. Could've chosen anyone, but